The 5 most common urinary disorders of dogs. Knowing how your dog behaves on a day-to-day basis is important to help identify or recognize when something is wrong. It may sound odd, but this includes knowing your pet's bathroom habits. The most frequent clinical signs of urinary problems in dogs are the following: difficulty urinating, painful urination, frequent urination, cloudy or bloody urine, leaking or dripping urine, change in appetite, house soiling, change in the amount of urine released. If your dog is showing any of these clinical signs, then a physical exam and diagnostic testing by a licensed veterinarian is required to help determine the cause of the urinary issues. The first common urinary disorder in dogs is urolithiasis. Urolithiasis is the formation of stones in the bladder or urinary tract. If you notice that your dog has trouble urinating, or is unable to urinate, please make an appointment with your local animal hospital immediately. Some other symptoms of bladder stones include difficulty urinating, discolored urine, and frequent urination. The second urinary disorder that we commonly find in the dog population are urinary tract infections. An urinary tract infection occurs when bacteria enter the urethra from feces or debris. Urinary tract infections are more common in female dogs than in male dogs because the male's urethra is longer, which makes it to take longer for debris and bacteria to move through it. The symptoms of urinary tract infections in dogs generally include cloudy or bloody urine, straining to urinate, and licking the genital area. Let's now talk about the third most frequent urinary problem in dogs. Kidney failure occurs when kidney function declines and the kidney do not have the ability to sufficiently and adequately filter waste from the blood. Symptoms include change in water consumption, change in volume of urine produced, depression, listlessness, and decreased appetite. The fourth urinary disorder in dogs is urinary incontinence. Urinary incontinence is the involuntary leakage of urine. Pets with incontinence will leak urine while doing routine things such as getting up after laying down, playing, or even sleeping. Some additional symptoms of urinary incontinence include drinking lots of water, blood in the urine, leaking while moving around, leaking while sleeping, and urinating excessively. The last urinary disorder that we are going to discuss today is hyperadrenocorticism. Hyperadrenocorticism, also known as Cushing's disease, occurs when the dog's body overproduces cortisol, a steroid hormone that regulates a wide range of processes throughout the body, including metabolism and the immune response. Diagnosing this condition requires a veterinarian to perform a variety of diagnostic tests. Some common symptoms of hyperadrenocorticism include increased thirst, excessive urination, hunger and panting, weakness and loss of energy, obesity, and more. Awareness of what is going on with your dog's urine can be a key indicator of their health. So, next time you are on a walk, or let your dog outside to go to the bathroom, pay attention to their bathroom habits. If a urinary disorder is left untreated, it can lead to a bigger problem. Please contact your local animal hospital if you notice any changes in your pet's bathroom habits. This video was optimized for the following phrases. The 5 most common urinary disorders in dogs. Urolithiasis in dogs. Urinary tract infection in dogs. Kidney failure in dogs. Urinary incontinence in dogs. Hyperadrenocorticism in dogs. Cushing's disease in dogs. Difficulty urinating in dogs. Painful urination in dogs. Frequent urination in dogs. Cloudy urine in dogs. Bloody urine in dogs. Dog leaking urine. Dog dripping urine. House soiling by dogs. Decreased urination in dogs and Veterinary channel.